In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make greeting cards in Canva, whether you're looking to create something for a special occasion or simply want to design your own personalized card. Canva is a versatile platform that's just perfect for this task. Let's dive into the process and you'll see how easy and fun it is to craft your own greeting cards. First, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser and use the search bar at the top. Type in greeting card and you'll be presented with a wide array of options. This search function is incredibly powerful as it filters through thousands of templates tailored for different occasions, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Once you've entered your search, browse through the available templates. There are designs for birthdays, holidays, thank you notes, and much more. Take your time to explore. You'll be amazed by the variety and creativity on display. Finding the right template is essential, so don't rush this step. Picking the one that best suits your occasion or message will set a solid foundation for your design. After you've decided on the perfect template, it's time to customize it. You'll notice an option that says Customize this template. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start personalizing the card to your liking. This is where the fun begins, as you can really let your creativity flow. On this customize page, you'll find various editing tools. Focus on editing the text first by clicking on the text area of your card. Canva makes it easy to modify the wording, so go ahead and add your personalized message. You might be writing a heartfelt message for a loved one or something playful for a friend. Whatever the occasion, this is your opportunity to express exactly what you want to say. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and colors to match the card's theme. Canva offers a rich selection of fonts, allowing you to capture the right mood and tone. Don't forget about the colors, as they can greatly enhance the overall design. Mixing and matching different elements is part of the creative process, so have fun with it and see what works best. With your text and design elements in place, take a moment to review your card. Make sure that everything looks the way you want it to. Spelling is correct, colors are well coordinated, and the layout is visually pleasing. Once you're satisfied, you can download your finished product and either print it at home or send it digitally for instant delivery. And there you have it, you've just designed a beautiful greeting card using Canva. It's a simple yet rewarding process that you can easily repeat for all your card giving needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy creating your own unique designs. Thanks for tuning in and happy crafting.